So we're shooting today. We're starting over. Right, Cam?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot this. You ready to drive?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Little downshift squiggle.
And then these photos, this is where it's at. Oh, that's the other way. There's some of those are crispy, and those, I like this one a lot.
That's sick. New profile pic. Ugh. Go to Wawa.
Is there a Wawa?
Dude, King got the Honda. What's up, Big Juice? Chilling. Yeah, Keem hit me up on the way here, so he's gonna hang out with us. Little Honda. It's all there though.
I cleaned it up and everything, bro.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Driving trucks, bro.
Yeah? Like,
Alright, we're all gassed up. Heading out to the spot. Keep the Honda.
damn, right here was a
Oh yeah, it does look good. But it's still too bright though. Going under there.
Hey, like, he wants it like under there. Or on that first road or whatever. So I'm gonna just put my car over here.
Yeah. Ooh, right there. Right there. Looks so fire. Yeah, you're good right there. I'm gonna start right here. Get a couple shots right here and then probably park it somewhere underneath there. But I don't know, I like the way it looked right here, so. Right?
Huh?
Looks good right here.
Yeah.
So I get my shots in. The light is perfect right here because it's getting diffused from behind the truck. Looks good. This car is shooting very well. You guys move that way for me real quick? A little bit. Perfect. Thank you. Too wide. Trying to get me some detail shots now. Probably turn my polarizer. What's that do for y'all? There we go. All right, so we're gonna pull it down here and get some better shots. It's a little bit busy. We got a lot of cars passing through, but making it happen. We're getting some really good stuff. So the light is absolutely perfect. The skies are clear. The weather is beautiful.
That was the kid that
You know what? It looks really good there. I was gonna have him up here, but I'm changing my mind. All right, now go back. Turn it. And keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, straight. Keep going. Right. A little bit more. There. Never mind. Air ride. I like that. I really like that. Yes. Ooh. All right, we gotta get some light up in this camera. Yeah, that looks money. Color works really well with the light right now. Wow, look at this side. No, like park right in front of that like gray.
Plant.
Right.
right there, the middle plant.
Yeah.
Like where the asphalt changes almost.
Right, facing this way.
Facing this way.
Yeah. He's like, damn.
Fighting, bro.
Right there is good. Right there? I think right there is good.
I operate in all environments.
So money. I love how you see the bridge going around the top. Sick. What's up, fam?
Chilling, bro.
Keep chilling with us. I realized I need to get some more rare shots myself. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, the lights are good from back here. Really good. crispy. Lighting's still pretty amazing. Look at that. So y'all boys ready?
Yeah.
Got enough content?
Yeah.
Hunter, you good?
Yeah, boy.
I'm good.
I'm changed to get like an RPM shot right now.
We get some sunset
Thanks,
rollers
Boss.
on the way back.
Ooh. 10 bit.
Ooh. No, just pulled up. Wait, go back. You're dragging it. All right, you good? You good?
You wish to see our static car still. Great way to start off.
What's up, broski? Happy New Year.
How you doing, bro?
Like, I see what you mean. You want the face and label. Yeah. Just the spindle.
You should talk to the camera more.
Yep.
I always make that mistake. But yeah, so
Bro, the temperature is so nice.
so good. It's so good. I'm glad you came through, bro. I haven't seen you in a while, bro. So we're gonna head back up, try to get some rollers with this
If I would have
nice
punched that guy
dimmer.
in the face, would I have gone to jail last night? Probably, right?
If you Oh, look at the sunset behind me. Insane. I'm kind of jealous I didn't take the Benz with me to get some photos. She hasn't had her first photo shoot yet. All right, we're all back at headquarters. Pretty lit, pretty lit. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna end the video right here. So peace out.